This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Parfit. This maintenance-free home is an absolute gem with majestic lake views, located in the stunning gated community of Forest Creek. This fabulous two-story home comes with plenty of natural as well as recessed lighting, with volume ceilings, 8 sliders and 8 full glass exterior door. Great layout for entertaining with all the bedrooms upstairs, a bonus room upon entry ideal for a formal dining or living room, a large open great room leading to a private courtyard, perfect for relaxing with a book or socializing and grilling out. Premium upgrades include custom window treatments and cabinetry, water filtration system, crown molding, updated AC, December 2018, fresh paint, tile throughout the first floor, a barrel vault as well as vaulted ceilings, washer, dryer and refrigerator. Plenty of parking with open spots in front as well as a detached 2-car garage off the courtyard and back. Ideal location in the fastest growing area just north of Lakewood Ranch and minutes from the Outlet Mall and I-75. Forest Creek is an amazing community with stunning views of an 18-acre lake and lush landscaping reminiscent of old Florida. Amenities include a huge community pool, spa, dog park, fitness center, walking paths, fishing pier, kayaking, canoeing and a gazebo. Homes in this picturesque community